The University of Texas at Arlington is home to more than 170 degree programs across 8 colleges: business, nursing and health innovation, liberal arts, engineering, education, architecture, planning and public affairs, social work, science. We are home to more than 60,000 globally and rising. We are a Carnegie R1 Very High Research Activity University. We are designated as a Hispanic Serving Institution, the 6th most diverse university in the nation, number 1 in the nation for veterans, number 1 in North Texas for return on investment. We are the University of Texas at Arlington. Students first, excellence always.